I just asked Christine if she was going to defend her title. She said, no. You don't have to. Boy, you have just become the light in the eye of so many of us around America. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, please welcome the field director of the Houston Field Headquarters of the Division for Blind Services, Cheryl Guido.
Thank you, Scott. Thank you, Benigna, for putting me right after Christine. And thank you, DeAndre, where are you? Thank you for that inspiring song. Thank you so much for being here. Please give her another round of applause at Christine. She is truly an inspiration to us all. And like Scott said, I'm Cheryl Guido. I'm the field director of the Division for Blind Services here in Houston. We've been celebrating White Cane Day for the last 6 years, and I have to say this is by far the best one yet. Every day I'm proud to work for Blind Services, proud to work with the consumers that we serve, proud to work with the staff. And but today I definitely feel especially blessed to be part of such an important day. The White Cane Day Committee, led by Benigno, have taken our theme very seriously. Our theme is Sky is the Limit. As many of you are aware, the theme comes with a picture of a blue airplane, and flying it is a guide dog. The plane has the letter WCD written on it, and 2 white cane crisscross on the side. I think the dog flying the plane is a nice symbol that individuals who are blind and visually impaired can do just about anything they set their minds and hearts to do.
Thank you. Thank you.
I just want you all to remember that DARS is here as a partner for all individuals, infants to senior adults who are needing our services. We will be here for you and with you to provide the services to be independent and or gainfully employed. And if you have any questions about our services, please see us at the booth. We have a lot of people here to answer those questions. And talking about booths today, I want to especially thank our exhibitors who took the time out of their very busy schedule to attend this event and share their expertise with us. Our exhibitors include Dr. Larry Pollock, Barbara Jordan Endeavors Corporation, See Different, Center on Disability and Development at Texas A&M University, Crystal Vision, Chris Cole Rehabilitation Center from Austin, DARS, both Division of Rehab Services and Blind Services, Disability Rights, Easter Seals, EEOC, Goodwill, Guide Dog of Texas from San Antonio, Hanger Clinic and Dynamics Prosthetics, Haven, Houston Center for Independent Living, Houston Community College Southwest, HCB and ACB, Helen Keller National Center from Austin, the Houston Commission on Disabilities, Houston Fire Department, Houston Public Library, the Lighthouse of Houston, Mayor's Office for People with Disabilities, Metro and MetroLift, NAMI, NFB, Prudential Insurance, The River, SCI Enterprise, Sight into Sound, Southwest ADA Center, Summer House Shred for Independence, Texas Workforce Commission, University of Houston, the main campus in downtown, and the VA Low Vision Clinic. Please take advantage of this opportunity to visit all of them today. I know many brought some great information and some goodies also. And thank you again for celebrating this day with us. On behalf of the Department of Assistive and Rehabilitative Services, I want to wish you, all of you, a happy White Cane Safety Day. Thank you.